Oh shit! I've just been hit in the back.
Left line, get to
Oh yeah.
No problem today. Get your...
Yeah. It's just gone through a red light, hasn't it? Yeah, dickhead's just gone through a red light. Oh, and he got it! Oh, yes! Fucking deserve it, you went through a red light.
So let me do the setting. Well, you'll see. And you might be able to search this, and you may have already seen this video already. It's kind of, some videos do the rounds.
Call some dashcam.
Oh, it's sick. Oh! Oh, Alan.
Well done. Well done.
Out of the fucking way? Where are you going? Don't be a bad Sox fan. And then we just do this. Love the fact that
Hey, sit there, we got you.
be mad. Oof, he's had issues. It's like these guys love to try and bully people.
This guy's riding right up my ass.
have been bad.
I think it's a great thing to do, even for 6 months or less, really.
And how long do you plan on doing it?
Good question. Until we are in a position where we can put a deposit on a home, really. We're booked up until July this year, and then we
Okay,
don't
Carmen, save video.
To stop with any.
To place the dead man's hand down on the floor when he noticed the long scratch mark on the wrist and running along the side of the palm. He guessed the wound.
Oh fuck! We just saw it.
Yep.
We caught it on camera. Probably.
Yep.
Well, we should probably tell them when we have the footage.
Yep.
Do you want to check it? We'll pull over or no?
Yeah.
Let's pull over. See how they're doing. Why don't you go see
Pop,
how the girl's doing?
Romeo Juliet 833 Alpha.
Why don't you see how the girl